In today's video, I'm going to teach you Microsoft Word Power User features go beyond basic text editing, offering sophisticated tools for automation, collaboration, and document management that allow you to manage complex projects efficiently. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. Let's start with automation. If you find yourself repeating the same clicks over and over, record a macro. Go to the View tab, choose Macros, then Record Macro. Perform the task once, stop recording, and assign it to a keyboard shortcut or a button on your quick access toolbar. From then on, it's one press instead of a dozen. Keep macro names descriptive and test them on a copy of a document so you can tweak safely. Next, use fields instead of typing data that might change. Head to Insert, open Quick Parts, and select Field. You can insert the current date, file name, author, or total page count. These update automatically, so your headers, footers, and covers stay accurate without manual edits. While you're at it, tailor the interface. In File, Options, then Customize Ribbon or Quick Access Toolbar. Add your most used commands and your macros. A few thoughtful tweaks here save constant menu hunting and keep your focus on writing. For advanced tools, enable the Developer tab under File, Options, Customize Ribbon. This unlocks content controls to build fillable forms with drop-downs and checkboxes, and it's also where you manage macros and work with XML if your workflow requires structured data. For large projects, break them into manageable parts. In the View tab, switch to Outline View to create a master document that links to smaller subdocuments. This keeps file sizes reasonable and makes collaboration easier. Just remember to store related files together and keep backups. When collaborating, precision matters. On the Review tab, use Compare or Combine to produce a redline document showing every difference between versions. It's ideal for legal, editorial, or academic review where nothing can slip through. For versioning, cloud storage like OneDrive offers history, but locally you can use File, Info, then Save as with clear names or timestamps. Pair that with reliable recovery by opening File, Options, Save, and reducing auto-recover intervals to 1 or 2 minutes. If Word crashes, you'll lose far less work. For layout and data integration, Mail Merge is a powerhouse. On the Mailings tab, connect a Word template to an Excel sheet or Outlook contacts, and generate personalized letters, emails, labels, or envelopes, perfect for large batches. Finally, keep references rock solid. Insert bookmarks to mark key locations, then add cross-references that update page or section numbers automatically as content moves. And on the References tab, manage citations in APA, MLA, or Chicago, and generate a properly formatted bibliography with a click. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.